Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Robust big data analytics for electricity price forecasting in the smart grid. Abstract. This project is electricity price forecasting. It is a significant part of smart grid because it makes smart grid cost efficient. It is used to handle huge price data in the grid. For this project, we perform hybrid feature selector based on correlation analysis to eliminate the feature redundancy. For the extraction, here we are using wavelet based feature extraction algorithm that is used to remove noise and time constraint based extraction. Our electricity price forecasting model is realized via these three parts. Numerical results show that our proposal has superior performance than other methods. SVM is a classifier that tries to find a hyperplane which can divide data into the correct classes. The support vector is a part of a data that could help to determine the hyperplane. Two challenges here we are facing. One is high computational complexity and the next one is hard to tune parameters. Based on the two challenges, we propose parallelized electricity forecasting. This is a flow for this project. First one is input data. Input data is input data set. From the dataset only, user will get the predicted output. Then next one is extraction. Extraction is feature selection. Here feature is mentioned as dataset. Here we are performing three feature selection 1 and feature selection 2 and feature selection 3. Feature selection 1 and 2 are performed based on a GC algorithm and feature selection 3 performed based on KPC algorithm. Based on that we will select our dataset value. Then MapReduce. MapReduce is a part of Apache Hadoop. It is programming paradigm that allows for massive selective scalability across hundreds of thousands of servers in Hadoop clusters. MapReduce is a partition combine and data compression for huge amount of data storage. Then preprocess. Data preprocessing is any type of processing performed on raw data to prepare it for another processing procedure, commonly used as a preliminary data mining practice. Data preprocess transforms the data into a format that will be more easily and effectively processed for the purpose of the user. In that we will perform a clustering. Clustering is the grouping of a particular set of objects based on their characteristics, aggregating them according to their similarities. Regarding to data mining, this methodology partitions the data implementing a specific join algorithm most suitable for the desired information analysis. In this, based on condition, will cluster our data. Then classification. In this module, classification is an ordered set of related categories used to group data according to its similarities. It consists of codes and scripts. It consists of codes and scripts and allows survey response to be put into meaningful categories in order to produce useful data. A classification is useful tool for anyone developing statistical survey. In that we perform SVM algorithm for the classification. The next one is predicted data. It is the final output for this project. Based on these methodologies, we can get our predicted data. Now I'm going to run this project. This is a home page for this project. Robust big and data analytics for electricity price forecasting in the smart grid. Click on it. It is the upload file. Click on browse. Click OK. Select your data set. It will display here. It is the path of this data. It is the content of the dataset value. Then click insert. The value will be inserted to the database. Then next, click on view. Inserted value will be displayed here. Then we are going to the feature selection. Click on GCA feature selection. GCA is an algorithm. Based on the GCA algorithm, we will select our features. Click on that, then view. The value will be pre-processed. It is the first step for this feature selection. Then next, then click on feature selection, then view. It is the next process of feature selection. It will remove the unwanted noisy inconsistent data. Then next we are going to cluster our data set. Click on cluster, click OK, select from any ID value, then click cluster. It will display based on the 3 ID value. Here we are selecting fridge, that is the ID 3. In that it has many brands: LG, Godrej, Agio and Samsung, and price list. It is a unit for this brand. That is electricity, then that is that quality and temperature, and that is ID. Click OK, then store value. The value will be stored in the database. Next, in that we are performing classification. Click classification 1, select any brand, click view data. It will display based on the LG brand. It will display the output. Then store, the value will be stored in the database. Then next, then classification level 2, click any quality range value, view data. Based on the 75 quality, in LG we have 2 brands. Then store, click OK. Then next, show data. It will display the based on we selected quality range and brand value. Click OK. Here we can predict our data. Then we can select based on the price and unit. We can what brand we want to select, we can use. Thank you.